as an aging player, I wonder if you could speak to, do you do anything for the health of your, like your hands?
Yep.
Or do you take supplements, or do you do exercises, or just play? Or?
No, I can tell you what to do. Look after your diet. Don't eat bad crap, okay? And play the guitar a lot more. You know, people are always saying, you know, what do you do? Do you go to the gym? Do you have a trainer? Blah, blah, blah. I don't do any of that stuff. I play the damn guitar, you know. I don't want to be a world champion ball squeezer, you know. I'm going for the gold medal every time I pick up this thing, you know. So, and I want to have fun and everything. And I'm really blessed, you know. There's a lot of arthritis in my family, and I don't think I have it yet. I do have, you know, certain joints, like this thumb from all the years is getting pretty funky, but it's still strong, and I'm still playing, all I can tell you is that really, if you eat well and take care of your body, it'll take care of you, you know. Things do change. This gentleman saying the word aging, I'm definitely aging, but we all are, you know. But I feel better now than I ever have, and I can just tell you from my inner man is that there are certain things that I struggle with in my playing, and I know that what I need to do is to work on them, you know, and it'll come back, you know. But I definitely can't fly around the thing like I used to 20 years ago. but I can fly a little, you know, and it's enough for me, you know.